This is Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video. In today's video, we will learn about a website that pays you $100 a day to $1,000 a day very easily by doing easy, simple tasks. You don't need your own website, you don't need skill, and you don't need any investment. Signing up on this website is 100% free. Any beginner can do this, and you can spend some spare time and make money. You ready for this? All right. Now, one important thing that I want to highlight is that this website pays you the most money for taking care of a task that needs a tiny little skill, a skill that literally everyone who wants to make money needs. So, does it take time to learn this skill? Yes, but it's not hard at all if you use smart or AI softwares and templates and simple step-by-step training. So as usual, link in the description will give you free AI software, our templates that we use to make money using this skill, and the trainings we have and we use in our business to make money using this skill. But don't go to the link right now. First, hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next video. So let's begin, and I will share step by step how to register and use this website and make money. And after that, I will share more details about that specific skill and how you can make money, literally easy peasy, thousands of dollars per day from multiple other popular platforms. And trust me, this one skill can make you rich. So stay tuned till the end of the video. We have a lot to cover and a lot to share today. All will be free. All the links will be in the description. I will also put links to our other videos on this channel that will help you make money online. So let's begin. Now we are going to TaskPay.ru. It's a Russian site, so everything is written on Russian. So we have to use Google Translate, and let's translate the page. There are two sections here, for performers and for customers. As we want to make money, we will go to for performers section. They have paid this much amount in Russian currency, and they have 27,999 customers, the people who need tasks to get done. So where to start? Complete tasks, earn money, refer your friends, get the results. Pretty simple and straightforward. And they mentioned the advantages of this website: earnings on simple tasks, quick and convenient withdrawal, referral program, rating system, time distribution of executions, favorable prices and bonuses. And they rank their top partners and performers on the same page, so we can see how top executors are earning, and on the right hand side how much top customers are paying. And here are the 4 types of earnings on the internet: random jobs, app ratings, copywriting and rewriting, and social networking. Now I told you that one of these jobs is so special and so important, literally everybody needs it. And of course, link in the description will give you our templates, our tutorials, and our AI software to learn and perform fast. Now click on the Get Started orange button and use your email and your password to sign up. Now here is an important thing. Everybody asks for email and password. Password is not important. What's most important is the email, because everybody wants your email. Why? Because when you sign up using your email, they have your email address, which is the most important thing for making money online. So this website is a smart website. They are building a list of users who want to make money online, very targeted users. All right, now we are inside after signing up. Then this is the dashboard where you get the summary of your task and how much money you made, your account status, every single thing. Go to your email inbox, open the email you received from them, click on the confirmation link to confirm, and they will congratulate you on the dashboard for confirmation. Now you can start making money. Let's look around, and there are so many awesome easy peasy jobs that literally take a few seconds to complete. Right now, there are 2,325 new tasks that you can perform and make money. I highly recommend every site you go to the help and tutorial section and FAQ section to make sure you understand, you know their rules properly, especially about the payment systems, how they pay, when they pay, so you know clearly how and when you are going to get paid and how much it is going to be. Established websites make their tutorials from the questions of their users. So going through these tutorials or FAQs will make your life easy in order to find and perform tasks, which will eventually help you make money fast and easier. Here is an important information. When will the payment be received? And they mentioned the customer himself chooses the time for verification from 15 minutes to 3 days. So 3 days would be the maximum time of getting paid. Well, they have a pretty decent looking help or tutorial page you should definitely go through before you start. Whenever you are ready and you want to make money, go to the new tasks section and sort by date. This way you will get to know about the latest jobs. On the right hand side, you can filter the job types to make job looking easy. On my page, you'll get the summary of your account information. To know details about your account, your rating and statistics, go to my rating statistics section. All the informations are in a tabular format. How many ratings you need for what type of tasks. You will also find affiliate statistics. My balance section will show you the wallet, how much money you have earned so far, how much balance in the account. In the edit data section, you can change your password, username, or email. The top users section is a leaderboard that shows the top earners, which works as inspirations to work more and make more money and move forward faster. Here is a task about telephone number. Click on the link to get all the details, how much time you have. For this particular case, you have only 15 minutes to complete the task. There is a clear task description. Read it, understand it before you start. 32 people have already got paid from this task. Once you are ready to execute the task, click the green execute task button and start. And that's how you make money from tasks. Now let's talk about the golden skill I told you about. This skill alone will make you rich. In fact, every entrepreneur has this skill, but they don't have time to spend particularly on this skill, on this particular task, and that's why they spend thousands, if not millions of dollars on this skill, hiring agencies and freelancers. Big companies have marketing team or marketing department and have full-time employees to conduct this particular task, and that's called copywriting. Now, in case copywriting sounds boring to you, it literally is the most powerful skill for any business. In fact, this skill alone can make you rich. I will show you multiple ways, but before that, let me show you the resources, how you can use free templates that are actually premium. We use them and I will tell you why they are premium. But before that, let me tell you, link in the description. There is an AI software that we use and it can be used with a little trick, 100% free. You can go ahead, grab it. But now let me show you some free premium resources. Google copywriting templates and you will find articles and templates from multi-million-dollar companies and blogs. So why do we believe in them? Why do we use them? And how we make money? First of all, I know that these companies are big and they provide high quality contents to their clients and readers. So their readers get benefited from these templates and resources. And when they are benefited, they come back and use these companies' softwares. If it is a blog, they come back with more resources to read more. That is why they provide amazing quality content. Let's talk about this one, optinmonster.com. I personally use OptinMonster. 69 high quality copywriting templates proven to work. Now, if you go through headline copywriting, email subject line copywriting, email marketing copywriting, call to action, all these copywriting templates are amazing. Now, email marketing may or may not be the important skill for you right now, but if you go to Fiverr, you will see people are looking for sales copy and Fiverrs are making huge amount of money selling sales copy. Look at this particular gig. 2,606 reviews and 4.9 ratings from customers. Approximately 5% customers come back and leave a review. So 2606 times 20, approximately 52,000 sales generated from this Fiverr gig alone. And considering standard is the average price times 55, $2.8 million generated only from this Fiverr gig. Now look at this gig. This offer literally everything. Where can you learn this from? From here, okay, from all these templates. Take this one. 10 common copywriting templates to use in marketing from HubSpot. HubSpot is a really big company. All the knowledge and resources they provide are premium. These free resources can be sold for thousands of dollars. Learning is really easy from all these resources. And once you learn, you can start practicing using Fiverr or using freelancer websites like Upwork. Look at this. Search for talent here and search with copywriter, and you will see so many people are making so much money from Upwork by simply writing for their clients. Example, this person here, this copywriter, made $60,000, over $60,000 and charges $50 per hour. Another one $60,000, another one $20,000, and on and on and on. $40,000, $50,000, even $80,000, $70,000, and so many more. Once you learn this skill, you have the most powerful skill to make money directly out of this skill. So again, link in the description will give you an AI software, and you can use that software 100% free and start writing sales copies, email copies, ad copies. Take a little time out every single day only for learning and practicing copywriting, and soon you will become an expert and make thousands of dollars. Did you like our video so far? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you tell YouTube that this is a good video and other viewers should view it, and YouTube will push this video to other viewers. We will get views and you will get notification when we will upload our next video, and we will see you in the next video.